How to use the Wix ADI to create a free website step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Wix ADI, which is the Wix Artificial Intelligence, to create your own free website using Wix. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, you will have to create a Wix account, and I already have created an account via my Gmail address. You just have to sign up with your email address, whatever kind of email it is, and you just have to enter a username and a password. So once you have done that, you're going to be led to your basic dashboard. And from here, what you're just going to do is you're going to click on Create New Site on the top right over here. And once you do that, Wix is going to ask you which Wix editor or which kind of Wix platform you would want to use. So we're going to continue with the basic Wix version. And if you don't have the editor X, then it might not even ask you this question, but the editor X is more for like professionals. And we're just going to skip this question over here. And you can choose to answer it. So whatever kind of website you're looking to create, you can enter that. But I'm just going to skip this for now. And over here, what they're going to ask you is that if you want to edit a template or use the Wix ADI. So from here, we're actually going to select the Wix ADI, which is the artificial intelligence, where you answer a couple of questions and then you have a website designed for you. And then you can just customize the designed template that you get or the design that you get. If you want to make any changes or any kind of customizations, you can fill those out, but you just have a basic template to work with. And that is what the ADI does, which is take the answers from your questions and then develop a website accordingly. So we're just going to click on Start Now over here. And once we click on Start Now, this is going to open up the Wix ADI. Now, the first thing you're going to do is enter the business name or the name of the website that you want. So let's say I want Jane's Fashion. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Next. Now, if you have any existing websites or a physical shop location, then you can enter those as well, but we don't, so we're going to skip this. And then we're just going to continue on next, and then you're going to choose the theme that you want for your website. So you can see there are minimal themes, retro, luxury, merge, place, loft, and let's say I want a minimal theme. I don't want it to be too overpowering. I want like a simplistic look to it. And now you can see over here, you can choose the basic design that you want. So you can see they're all pretty nice, but I think I'm going to go with this one. And then after that, they're going to ask you to add pages to your site. So let's say I want a about page, I want a FAQ page, I want a contact page, and maybe I want a services, or I'm just going to add a blank page, and on the blank page maybe I want to add like my inventory or the items that I'm looking to sell. So I'm just going to continue with the example that I'm creating a online store about Jane's Fashion and whatever fashion items that I'm going to sell. So I'm just going to click on Edit Site over here, and just like that, the Wix ADI is adding some final touches and putting your entire website together. So you can see over here, this is what the theme is currently looking like, and you can now start designing your website. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the blank page over here, and you can see on your top left, you have your pages section, then you have your add section. So you can add sections and pages and other integrations and applications. Then you have your design, so you can change the design, colors, animations, and all that. And then you have all of the integrations that you've added to your Wix website. So from here, I'm going to change the page to blank. And this is the blank page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on settings over here. And then I'm going to click on rename, and I'm going to add this as shop like this. And then I'm going to click on add section. And then what I can do is I can click on inventory over here, or maybe even I'm going to click on product over here at the bottom left. And then I'm going to add a product layout. So I think I'm going to go with this one like so. So you can see I've added this product grid, and now I'm going to add available now, or I'm going to rename this header subtitle to buy now. And then below that, I have 3 basic products, and to add more products to your Wix ADI website, you just click on add item. And then once you click on add item, you can just see I have had a new product, and then you can see you have the edit section over here where you can add the product name. So let's say I have bow tie, and then you can add a little subtitle like new arrival or sale or hot item, whatever it might be. Then you can add your item descriptions. You can add images as well, but I'm just going to skip that for now. And just like that, I can just rename any of my products to better fit the website. So I can add watch, and then below that, I might want to add a subtitle, which might be hot seller, like this. So once you have begun designing your website, you can just do this and select any section you want to edit to begin your customization of the ADI website. So from here, you can just select a different page. Like that was the product page that I created, and maybe I'm going to go into the about page, and then if I want to change this, I'm just going to click on any of the item that I want to change, and then on the left I will have the basic editor for me to start changing it. So let's say I want to add a story about my website, whatever it might be. So you're just going to do that, and it's a very simple and intuitive drag and drop system. And once you have finished designing your website, you're just going to click on publish over here, and then you're going to choose the wix.com domain. So you can connect your own custom domain as well, but that comes at a price. But if you want to just, try creating a website out and you're just working on how to do this, then you can just use the free Wix domain, and then you're going to add the domain name that you want. So Jane Fashion, and then I'm going to click on publish and continue. And then Wix does check if this domain name is available with the free Wix site, and usually it is. It's a very unlikely situation that it won't be. And now you can see that our website is live and published. So I can click on view site over here. And now you can see this is what the website is looking like. If I go on to the shop section, you can see these are the products, and this is how the grid looks like. You can obviously customize it furthermore if you want to. And to later on manage your website, you're going to go back into your homepage, and you can see it's going to appear in your My Site section. So you can see this is our new website that we created. And if you still want to edit it later on, and if you're wanting to customize it a bit more, other than the basic look that the ADI gave you, you can just click on this pen icon over here. And once you click on this pen icon, this will open up the editor once more. And if you don't want to use the Wix ADI editor, you can also move towards the actual Wix website editor. So for that, you would actually have to click on Go to Editor on the top right over here. And this will lead you to the actual Wix editor instead of the Wix ADI, because the Wix ADI is more of a simplified version, but there are very few mistakes that you can make while designing in the Wix ADI. If you click on Switch to Editor over here, it would actually be a bit more complicated. So if you're still learning, if you're still a beginner, then I wouldn't recommend using the Wix template editor or basic editor, because it's a very heavy software and there are chances that you might mess up something. You might, change the fonts, or, make something out of alignment or something like that. But the basic Wix ADI editor doesn't let you do that. So you don't have to worry about that with ADI editor. Both are fantastic depending on what you're wanting to do with your website and how frequently you have previously designed a website. So I would recommend that you check out the ADI, and I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're able to follow along with these instructions on how to use the ADI. Now, with ADIs, you can also integrate applications. So for that, you can just click on Manage over here and click on All Apps. And then you can also connect the Wix ASIN tools. You can add applications, you can add your online store, members areas, Instagram feed. So you can see all kinds of applications that you would usually integrate onto your basic Wix website are available on the Wix ADI as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.